Management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment for the purpose of efficiently accomplishing selected aims. Managers carry out the functions of planning, organizing, staffing, leading and controlling. Managing is an essential activity at all organizational level. However, the managerial skills required vary with organizational levels. The functions of managers provide a useful framework for organizing management knowledge. Management functions. Henri Fayol proposed that all managers are required to perform 5 management functions in order to execute their day-to-day activities. They are planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating and controlling. Planning. The planning function involves the process of defining goals, establishing strategy for achieving those goals, and developing plans to integrate and coordinate activities. Organizing. It includes the process of determining what tasks are to be done, who is to do them, how the tasks are to be grouped, who reports to whom at what level decisions are made. Commanding. It is the influencing of people so that they will contribute to organization and group goals. Leading involves motivating, communicating employees to accomplish goals and objectives of an organization. Controlling. It is the measuring and correcting of activities of subordinates to ensure that events conform to plans. It measures performance against goals and plans, shows negative deviations exit and by putting in motion actions to correct deviation, helps ensure accomplishment of plans.